back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about black dried lime or lemon and the benefits, as well as how to make your own black dried lemon at home. Now, black dried lemon is amazing for your health. It is used for so many things in terms of helping to strengthen your heart. There has been clinical studies made using black dried lemon as the main ingredient. I will link some of these studies in the description box below. Also, we're going to talk about a step-by-step guide to help you make your own black dried limes. Now, the first step is to prepare the limes, and you can do this exactly the same way with lemons as well. You start with about 10 to 12 limes, you cut them, you soak them in warm water, and you add salt for about 10 to 15 minutes. The second step is dehydrating the lime. So after soaking it, either use a dehydrator or place the limes directly under sunlight for 3 to 4 days until they turn completely black and lightweight. There's also another alternative, which is oven drying. Now, this is a much more longer process indoors. So if you are using an oven, you start by preheating it to the highest temperature, around 100 degrees Celsius. Then you turn the temperature down and dehydrate the limes for about 5 to 6 hours until they are fully dehydrated. Once the limes are dehydrated, you can store them in a glass jar at room temperature, and they are now ready to be used for cooking, to be grinded into spice, and also used to make beautiful dark lemon tea or lime tea that way. Now, there's a couple of important suggestions I want you to be aware of. 3, to be honest. First of all, it is recommended to dehydrate a batch of limes at once to make the process much more easier and cost effective. You need to also maintain the dehydrator at the oven temperature for optimal results, and also you need to make sure that you grind a small amount before using in order to preserve the essential oil component in the dried lime, and don't ground and then leave in a spice rack. These black limes and lemons have a long history of use in the Middle East and Persian cuisines as well, and they also have a distinct flavor to regional dishes. They are also really important to be used when cooking meat, chicken, fish as well. They also add a subtle smokiness, which really helps to elevate the sensory experience of a meal, and incorporating black limes into your cooking allows for a culinary experimentation because their unique flavor can really help to inspire creativity, especially in dishes that benefit from a hint of acidity and smokiness. Now, black limes can also be used in a variety of dishes, including rice dishes, stews, soups, marinades, and spice blends. They add a wonderful citrusy and smoky tone. Coming to the wonderful benefits of black limes and lemons, first of all, they're rich in antioxidants. So like fresh lemons and limes, black limes contain wonderful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants are really important as well in supporting our overall health and well-being and wellness. They can also be used as a digestive aid because the acidity in black limes can aid in digestion, and they're sometimes used in traditional medicine to help alleviate indigestion and other digestive issues. And here, as you can see, I'm making a tea. Now, some people like it darker, some people like it much more lighter in color. I just usually do it in the middle, and they are also a great source of vitamin C. So while the dehydration process might reduce the vitamin C content compared to fresh citrus fruits, black limes still contain this essential vitamin, which is known for its immune boosting properties. Now, bear in mind that if you do make tea or add it to hot dishes, the vitamin C will not be as bioavailable that way because it's been exposed to heat. So another thing that you can do to maintain the vitamin C component is to make iced tea. Now, the process will take much more longer because you need to soak the black limes or lemons in lukewarm or cold water overnight, or possibly for 2 nights that way, and then strain it the next day, and you have a wonderful vitamin C rich, antioxidant rich drink that can then be sweetened, and you can also combine it with other herbs as well. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next video.